Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Lego Minifig Club unboxing. So this is the last month that I will be subscribed, and I also filled out the postcard, which means I get a bonus little gift. So it's also in here as well. And you just fill this out, you get a sticker every month, and then you return it and they send you a gift. So we'll see what that is in just a moment. But here's some of the theme stuff in here. Looks like it's about travel. So you always get a sticker and a bookmark and a magnet, all kind of go with the same theme, which changes every month. You also get a postcard. There's always some type of challenge in like a Facebook group where you can share stuff. And then this must be our bonus stuff, so I'll set that aside. So this is the regular subscription. In here is the piece of the month, which is a cool little map. Because again, we have that travel theme. So that's cute. There's a sticker that goes with the postcard. And then this is the bag that contains all the different pieces. You have enough to make 3 full minifigures, and then there's always a couple pieces left. So we have some orange pants, some blue pants that have light blue lines running through them, brown pants that have a little design on them as well, and then solid black pants. For the body pieces, we have this one that kind of looks like a detective or a police officer. This one's cool. It's all black, and then it has a skull on it, some little flowers and stuff in the background. This one, I think we've seen before. Green with some gold detailing. And then the faces. So this one has a really cool little mustache look. Love that. Half human, half cyborg / zombie type thing. And then this one looks old. Looks like an older Lego style. And then the yellow bag contains all the accessories. You do get a bunch of those as well. So I have carrot, handcuffs, flame, a hat, another hat, green basket, blue hat, blonde hair piece, all sorts of little stuff there. And then this is the bonus. So it looks like a lot. I can't remember what we got last time because I was subscribed for 2 years. Oh yeah, and it even has a little 2-year magnet in it. That's cute. One of the heads is rolling away. So this one also has a gold bag, so we'll see what's in there. A yellow frog that I keep dropping. There we go. Yellow frog in that one. And then all sorts of pieces. So we have some capes. We have a treasure chest. We have a helmet, gray hairpiece, another, oh no, that's not a police officer. He has like a little satchel or something around his shirt. Those are some cool tribal looking pants with like grass and skulls and stuff on it. I know I'm kind of flying through these, but I'll try to take a picture and insert that at the end. Batman hat. Ooh, I don't think I've seen this one before. It's like a little cyborg, little creature type thing. That's pretty cool. I also see Homer Simpson's head in here. So we have a Homer head, some blue pants, pretty cool shirt, a Minecraft block. My son's really into Minecraft, so he'll like that. Some pants, a sword, a snake, and a spider. So if you guys are interested, I'll put all their information below where you can check out their subscription. They are official Lego pieces, and I really enjoyed it throughout the years, but we might go try another one now and see what that's like. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.